everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and I've got great news. I was able to talk to Nolan at Electron Company. We talked on the phone for, I don't know, half an hour or something, and we straightened out some of the confusion that I've been going through. Apparently, this does not have a CAN bus system. So the wires that would have gone to the CAN bus actually go to the positive and negative terminals on my jack. So, and what got me confused was I was actually had this upside down. Well, a number of things got me confused. The damn wiring diagram that they have here says the black and green and the yellow and green. Well, these are the two CAN bus lines. But they actually, not the yellow and green, the yellow and red actually goes to the blue and white. Go figure. And the black and green actually goes to the purple. So, yeah, I had those crossed. I followed exactly like the plan said, but I think there's so much, the fact that it's not a CAN bus, the only one I got right out of the three wires for the CAN bus and the one line was the one line wire. So these two wires right here get eliminated, and I was looking at this thing upside down, so this was where the red and yellow and the black and green came in. So I'm assuming like that, and it turns out that the clips on this side, so this clip, so these were backward. They had it wired right for theirs, but I didn't have it wired right for mine. So, and then the other confusion I was having was that this all showed, the wiring diagram here shows it's 72 volts, and it used to be 12 volt positive, and then they changed it to 72, which is confusing as hell. And then all my lines coming in here, my turn signals are 12 volt, my headlights 12 volt, my right turn signals 12 volt. And I was very concerned about mixing the two 12 volt and the 72 volt back together. I don't understand exactly how it works, but they said it does. So apparently the 12 volt systems go in and trigger something that turns on the relay lights, or the indicators. So right now I've got, so here we are. This is the red and yellow to the blue and white. So that's my power positive coming in to the bike, and then my black and green to the purple. So that's my ground. So these are 72 volt lines, and they were just on the wrong side. So I'm going to solder that up, and then a number of these lines that I had before just are dead. So let's see if we can get a quick solder on this right now. No, there's not a breeze. Okay, we're back. I'm going to show you what we're working on right now. Okay, I've got this all wired in. I'm going to move my speedometer up. This is the speedometer. I'm going to move it up so I have better viewing of it. Also, it gives me the opportunity to get at my toggles, which I'll need to do for adjusting. So we're going to cut a piece of sheet metal at about 12 inches by, what did I just say, 12 by, yeah, 3. So that'll give us hopefully what we need to fabricate this thing. It's and that is 5. Actually, 10.5 will be better. 5 and 5. Okay, it's the end of the day, so I thought I'd show you pretty much what I've accomplished here. It's nothing spectacular, but you know, trying to design it and make it work. Anyway, what I've done was fabricate this little box. It's not really a thing of beauty, but it slips in behind here, and so there's your speedometer, and then that's going to sit right down in here like so, and it'll mount about like that. I'm probably going to cut some notches here so I can move it out about 1/2 inch, and then that'll give me more room to get in to set my turn my keys on, because this is a little bit too tight, and but by bringing it up I've got better view of my speedometer, and I have access at getting at the toggle switches on each side here. So yeah, this is pretty much besides the wiring and hooking up the this harness, this is what the product of a day's worth of work. Anyway, yeah, this will be pretty much all invisible. It's down and out of sight, and I just have to get it completely set up. So I just thought I would show you guys that. Nothing real exciting, but very time consuming, like most things you fabricate. So yeah, from this side, this is pretty much what it's going to look like when you're sitting there. So it'd be actually, anyway, it'll be okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, we'll let you guys go and move on. We still have some more work to do on that tomorrow, but that's pretty much what's accomplished today. So I'll talk to you guys later, and you guys have a nice evening. Aloha.